What is up guys, Julius here, and today I'll teach you how to change the color of anything inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm here in my Premiere where I prepared a clip of a girl walking, and full disclaimer, I chose this clip because of the clickbait. So the first thing you want to do to get the effects started is to go over here to your effects, video effects, color correction, Lumetri Color, and apply that to your clip like so. Then you want to go into your effects control and your Lumetri Color, you want to click HSL secondary. And in here under key, there's something called set color, add color, and remove color. And you just want to click on the color that you want to change. In this case, I want to change the color of the bikini like so. And if you click the show mask, you will see what you actually have selected. And as you can see, we have selected basically nothing. So what we want to do here is change up the saturation and lightness, so we get everything. Oh, that's a little bit too much. We don't want the trace. Maybe something like this. Okay, so now that we have selected our object, we can play around maybe with the temperature of the tint down here, just to change the color. Maybe I want it to become like this. This looks a little bit unnatural. Maybe something like this, and all of a sudden the bikini is blue. So yeah, before and after, very nice, very clean looking. So let's take a look at the final product on the big screen. But anyways guys, that was all I had for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Please consider subscribing and dropping a comment letting me know which type of tutorial you would like to see next. And if you really enjoyed the video, maybe even consider liking. But anyways, see you tomorrow guys. Bye.